Hello everyone. Continue with the lesson The Rise of British Rule in India. Today we are going to start the topic Unfair Revenue Collection. Now student, what is unfair revenue collection? What is the effect and how the people reacted on that time? So the unfair revenue collection policy by the government, by the company, made the Indian peasant a debtor. The British government imposed unfair taxes on the Indian cloth industries. They adopted various deceitful practices to ruin the prosperous Indian industries, because of which it completely collapsed. The Indian artisan became poor and unemployed. The company traders forced the weavers of Bengal to sign contracts for providing definite quantity of cloth in a short period, and if the weaver refused, he would be punished by being lashed or jailed. So during this period, the people were affected with so many unfair injustice done by this policy and the collection policy by the government. Now, moving forward to the next topic, that Dalhousie as a reformist governor general. Now, who was Dalhousie? What he has done during that time? So, Dalhousie came to India as the Governor General in 1848. He was a fierce impartialist. Dalhousie adopted the policy of annexation for the expansion of the company and British imperialism in India. He introduced many reforms and was known as Reformist. In 100 years of company's rule, India became a country that produced raw material for England and a prospective market for goods produced in English factories. So he contributed a lot during his time and he became the well-known reformist governor general. Now, very important topic for the student, that is, what reforms did Dalhousie bring about? What reforms he declared during that time? So the following reforms were introduced by the Governor General Dalhousie. Number 1 is, during his time, the first railway line in India between Mumbai and Thane was laid in 1853. Number 2, wireless, we can call it as telegraph, system connecting India and England was set up. Number 3, public works department was set up. Number 4, English education was introduced. Number 5, laws were passed to ban child marriage and permission given to widow remarriage. So here we can conclude that Dalhousie was a reformist governor general. So the following reason what we discussed, that was happened during his time, and he only as a reformist he introduced these reasons, these reforms during his time. Now, during this teaching learning session for the lesson The Rise of British Rule in India, students, we discussed the various topics on this lesson. Now, on the basis of this lesson, I have framed one exercise for you. These questions you need to write it in your notebook. All the answers you will be getting through my videos or the PDF I will send you with this video. So the first question is, explain the economic impact of the company rule in India. Second, give brief information about Battle of Plassey. Number 3, Explain the social impact of the company rule in India. Number 4. What were the important terms and conditions of the subsidiary alliance system? Number 5. European felt the need to discover a new sea route to India. And number 6. What reforms did Dalhousie bring about? So these all questions you supposed to write in a notebook, and when the school reopens we can check it out. Now the answers which you want, that I have already sent you the PDF for your answers. So you hope you will get your answers from this PDF file. Thank you.